Glass hemisphere of refractive index 4 by 3 and of the radius 4 centimeter is placed on a plane mirror. A point object is placed at a distance of d on the axis of a sphere as shown. If the final image is formed at infinity, find the value of d. Now first of all, I will divide it into various processes. The first process will be when the object is in air, okay, and over here the image is formed in the glass surface, okay, so or hemispherical surface, okay, whatever that surface may be, hemispherical surface, okay. The second process is, let us say it forms an image somewhere over here. In the second surface, now the object is in hemisphere and it is going in air over here, okay, it is not directly going to the glass, it is going in air over here, okay. The third process will be reflection from the plane mirror, okay. The third process will be reflection from the plane mirror when the image formed by the spherical surface gets reflected by the plane mirror. And as you can clearly see, when there is reflection through the plane mirror, the light will again pass through the hemispherical surface, and the final object will be formed at infinity, okay. This is the fourth surface when the light goes from air to hemispherical surface, and at the hemispherical surface it goes at infinity. Since the final image is formed at infinity, it is very much clear that even if I do not take the final process, of the straight line over here, it will still give me the same answer, okay. So let us start solving this part, okay. I will start it in the reverse manner, that is, I will start with the fourth process, that the final image is formed at infinity. We will use the formula mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. Now I will take one more consideration over here. Let this point be equal to b over here, and whatever is the distances above this point, I will take this as negative, and whatever are the distances below this point, I will take it as positive, okay. I will take it as positive over here, okay. Now over here I will substitute the value. The final image is formed at infinity, so 1 by infinity will anyway be equal to 0. The object is situated in air, okay. The object is situated in air, as you can clearly see. Since the object is situated in air, it will be equal to 1 divided by u. I do not know the value of u. Mu2 divided by mu1. Mu2 over here is equal to 4 by 3 minus mu1 over here is equal to 1. Radius of curvature, if you consider the radius of the curvature about point B, the radius of the curvature will have a negative value because it is above this point B, okay. So it will be equal to negative 4. Now this will be equal to negative 1 by u will be equal to the 4 by 3 minus 1 will be equal to 1 by 3, so it will be equal to 1 divided by minus 12. So u will come out to be 12 centimeter. Since I have taken the downward axis as positive, the actual object for the fourth process will be situated at 12 centimeter, okay. The object for the fourth process will be situated at 12 centimeter below the mirror, okay. Now for a mirror, let us consider the third process. For a plane mirror, if the object for the fourth process becomes the image for the plane mirror, okay, for the third process. So over here, if the image is at 12 centimeter, I can say that the object will be at 12 centimeter above this axis, okay. So third process is also solved. Now let us solve the second process. Now over here, the object for the third process becomes the image for the second process. So I will solve, okay. Now look over here, okay. So the final image of the 12 centimeter is situated in air. So I will again use the formula mu2 by v minus mu1 divided by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by r, okay. Now let us see. The final image is situated at 12 centimeter, but it is in the negative axis. So mu2 by v is equal to, now it is, since the image over here, so the image over here is situated in air, okay. Since the image is situated in air, it will be equal to minus 1 by 12. The object is situated in the glass plate, that is the object A, okay. The object is situated in the glass plate, so it will be equal to minus 4 by 3 into u will be equal to mu2 minus mu1, that is equal to 1 minus 4 by 3 divided by radius of curvature over here is equal to negative 4. So this part over here will be equal to minus 4 by 3u will be equal to 1 minus 4 by 3 will be equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 divided by minus 4 will be equal to 1 by 12. Okay, When this is shifted on the right hand side, it will be equal to 1 by 12. So 1 by 3u will be equal to 1 by 6. Okay, or 4 by 3u, sorry, 4 by 3u will be equal to 1 by 6. So u will come out to be 8 centimeter. Okay, u will come out to be negative 8 centimeter because there was a negative sign over here. So u will come out to be negative 8 centimeter. It means that for the second process, the object is situated somewhere over here at a height of negative 8 centimeter. Okay, it means that the object for the, now the second process is also done. Now only the first process is remaining. Okay, only the first process is remaining. For the first process, okay, since it is situated at a negative 8 centimeter from the downward axis, it means that from this line, this the image over here will be situated at 4 centimeter. Okay, the image will be situated at 4 centimeter. Okay, now for the final process, I will again use the same formula. Mu2 by v minus mu1 divided by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. Okay, that is for the first process. It is going from the air to the hemispherical surface. And which part of the hemispherical surface, if you look here carefully, it is the plane part. Okay, it is the plane part or the plane surface of the hemispherical part. Okay, it means that the radius of curvature over here is equal to 0. The radius of curvature over here is equal to infinity. So 1 by infinity will be equal to 0. Okay, the object is situated in air, so it will be equal to 1 divided by object distance over here. The main object distance is d. Okay, so it is equal to d. Okay, mu2 over here is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, mu2 over here is equal to 4 by 3, and the image distance over here is, if I want, I can take it as negative, otherwise I can take it as positive also. If I take the image distance as negative, I have to also take object distance as negative, so it doesn't matter. So let me take this as negative 8 or positive 8, whatever it may be. Okay, let me take it as negative 8 for the time being. Okay, negative 4. Okay, not negative 8. From this part, it will be at a negative 4 distance. Okay, from this plane side, it will be at a negative 4 centimeter. Okay, so when I substitute the value, it will be equal to, so I have to take d also negative. Okay, it will be simplified in the last part. 1 by d will be equal to 4 divided by or minus 4 divided by 12. Okay, so 1 by d over here will be equal to minus 1 by 3, or d over here will be equal to minus 3. That is, the object is situated at a height of minus 3 centimeter. That is, the value of d will be equal to 3 centimeter.